Now in this session, we will learn how to get all the subnet information configured in the ACI fabric. Now I'll open the script. So this script is to get all the subnet information configured under the fabric. You can get the same script from the Git. So you can take this script from there and you can run it. Now let me run this script. I'll put Python and the name of the file. I'll put the username, URL, and I'll put the password. Now I'm getting the output. So I'm able to see output of this script, but here I'm getting the details of tenant and the bridge domain, but the subnet and the rest of the things I'm not getting here because there is no subnet configured in the ACI fabric. So in our last session we have configured bridge domain subnet. We are using the previous script because here in this script we are looking for the subnet information and we don't have the subnet configured in the ACI. So to get the expected output, we should have some subnet configured under BD. So we are using the old script in which we are creating a new BD and assigning one subnet to it. Now let me run the same script. So I'm putting username, URL and password. Now my change got pushed. I can see JSON got created. Now let me try to rerun the same script to get the subnet information. I'll go into that directory where my file is located and run the same file from that particular directory. Now I'm running the script. So I'll put Python and the name of the Python script, and I'll put the username, password and the URL to get the output. Now we are getting the newly configured tenant, that is ACI automation, and also I can see BD underscore ACI auto got created, and I have also configured the subnet, that is 1.1.1/24, and it is the private subnet. So in this way you can get all the subnet information which are configured under the ACI fabric with the help of this script.